name is Sharon.
And I'm Anna.
And we are both dietetic interns from the University of Illinois at Chicago.
Today, we will be preparing the recipe of the week, which is Italian Sautéed Eggplant. So if you have about 10-15 minutes, come join us and we'll show you how to prepare that.
Step number 1 is to wash the backs of our hands, wrists, and between the fingers for at least 20 seconds. Today we'll need olive oil, eggplant, diced tomatoes, salt, pepper, and Parmesan cheese. Chop up eggplant into 1-inch cubes. Peel if desired. Make sure to compost any scraps. Heat oil in large skillet. We want the oil to heat up, but we don't want it to burn, so we want to make sure we're keeping the heat on medium. Add the eggplant and stir occasionally for 10 minutes. We want to stir the eggplant to prevent burning. Once cooked, we want to add undrained tomatoes, salt, and pepper to taste. Cook 2 more minutes or until mixture is heated through. For our last and final step, we want to sprinkle with Parmesan cheese and serve. Enjoy!